Mci Harvest traces its roots to the country of Malaysia, which had a fascinating past and being a part of the international route many hundreds of years ago and has turned into a mosaic of cultures. Everything from its people to its architecture reflects a colorful heritage. After all, the origin and in the heritage of wonderful taste of durian, the king of fruits. In connection with majestic mountains and facing the extensive tropic climate, Malaysia is blessed with abundant harvests from the geographical advantage. It's offered only the best produce to honor the country, as well as to the world. Every precious Musang King durian that plucked from the earth, every prized yield for the pulp, every tug and pull to produce the world's best durian, these were heartfelt hard work born of a passion to deliver the world-class quality. Musang King is Malaysia's upcoming most profitable fruit crop. The current supply is unable to cope with the international demand for this tasty fruit, especially in China and Singapore. In 2016, Malaysia exported 18,043 metric ton of Musang King durian, providing export revenue amounting to Rs 70.9 million. It is projected the revenue from Musang King durian production will increase in 2020. We are specialized in the Musang King durian cultivation, plantation and the export to Southeast Asia, providing various solutions in farming, harvesting, packing, shipping, distribution, and marketing services. From sales, marketing, agritourism, product quality, research and development, and business development, we provide a comprehensive range of agricultural value activities with the highest quality. We always try to develop efficient ways to produce the Musang King durian. This has become one of the key priorities of our organization. Our company conducts research in order to improve fruit quality, conducting taste panels, and monitoring the use of agrochemicals in the growing process. We positively forecast to expand our plantation from 26 acres to 100 acres in the near future. Mci Harvest. Your durian. Our priorities.